GCC Lab Company. As a direct product of Vision 2030 of the Kingdom and the GCC countries, 10 strategic shareholders decided to establish the GCC Lab to become the area's market leader in testing, inspection, and certification. Based in KSA, the GCC Lab will contribute fundamentally to the achievement of the strategic visions of the GCC region in localizing manufacturing, building knowledge-based economy, supporting research and development, enhancing energy efficiency, and promoting renewable energy alternatives in line with climatic conditions of the GCC countries. The GCC Lab has developed its capabilities across 6 market business areas to bring sophisticated and unique capabilities to the region. 1. Power and industrial testing laboratories. 2. Renewables and smart grid testing laboratories. 3. Training and consultation. 4. Calibration and inspection. 5. R&D services. 6. Safety and efficiency. The holding company model was selected to facilitate business growth and diversified investment capabilities of the GCC Lab Company, with high agility to create multiple JV partnerships that suit each business specialty in order to maintain a competitive advantage and operational excellence. The GCC Lab was able to achieve substantial milestones in building its capabilities, achieving its stretching targets, and positioning its brand name in the region through providing world-class services to the top leading entities in the Kingdom and the GCC region by highly qualified national staff. Among the major achievements are full operation of 5 labs with more than 85% soldization, enhancement of the financial model from original 5% up to 11.5% through feasible strategic growth, achieving the principal approvals to expand beyond electrical in technical services and TIC business with an expected IRR of 31%, establishing more than 30 technical partnership agreements with international pioneering companies. The GCC Lab Complex was inaugurated by His Royal Highness Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman, the Minister of the Ministry of Energy in Saudi Arabia, in February of 2020, as one of its kind in the world, with the objective to enable a diversified economy through localization of manufacturing, fostering knowledge economy, and transferring technologies. The GCC Lab Complex includes sophisticated infrastructures in Dammam Modan 3 that serve as independent, reliable, capable, and efficient labs to serve equipment testing requirements and provide world-class technical services for the GCC and neighboring countries. The complex includes several labs as follows: GRL Lab, Gulf Renewables Lab Services, supports renewable energy infrastructures, project development, and manufacturers using the state-of-the-art accredited renewable testing facilities. The lab is a joint venture between GCC Lab and UL, which serves all countries in the Middle East. The joint venture is in line with the Saudi and GCC renewable strategies and is enabling the region's renewable energy market by providing consultation services, bankability studies, testing, inspection, training, and certification, as well as R&D services. The total area devoted to renewable energy building is 7,200 meters squared. The lab is being operated by 100% Saudi workforce and was able to achieve all required international, regional, and national certifications to provide the highest levels of standard services. ATL Advanced Testing Laboratory. The Advanced Testing Laboratory building lies on 6,700 meters squared with the role of conducting electromagnetic interface, EMI, electromagnetic susceptibility, EMS, and smart meter tests and fiber optics and communication services. The Smart Meter Lab is operated by 100% Saudi employees and is set to support the national program of smart meters deployment and smart grid implementation. LV Lab, Low Voltage Testing Laboratory. The Low Voltage Testing Laboratory occupies an area of 7,380 meters squared, and it hosts the low voltage dielectric testing equipment and climatic chambers, with all associated testing systems to perform dielectric tests for low voltage equipment, such as circuit breakers, switches, disconnectors, electromechanical contactors, motor starters, and other relevant equipment. HV Cable Lab, High Voltage Cable Testing Laboratory. The total facility area of the High Voltage Cable Testing Laboratory is 22,450 meters squared, and it hosts all associated power cable testing equipment. The objective of this lab is to perform high voltage power cables pre-qualifications, long duration tests with rated voltage above 36 kilovolts up to 550 kilovolts. High voltage and high power testing labs. The total facility area of the two high voltage and high power testing labs is more than 30,000 meters squared, and it hosts all associated testing equipment for high voltage and high power labs. The facilities are fed electrically by a dedicated 115 kilovolt substation and huge short circuit generator to provide the required energy for short circuit testing for switches, transformers, and other power equipment. The GCC Lab is working on executing its strategy to be the knowledge hub that connects the different agencies from ministries, academia, R&D, manufacturing, regulatory, and others to work in an effective ecosystem to build up a robust knowledge economy, exchange expertise, multiply success, and maximize utilization of available infrastructure to overcome challenges and exploit opportunities facing the energy sectors and other business streams. In continuation to its journey, and with close support from the Ministry of Energy and its stakeholders and partners, the GCC Lab is committed to expand its capabilities and grow its portfolio, utilizing its legal and financial frameworks to enable localization of knowledge, manufacturing and services, fostering knowledge economy, and creating feasible and rewarding jobs for the national youth in contribution to accelerating the achievement of the KSA vision and the visions of the GCC countries.